Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So maybe you blocked somebody, but now you've had a change of heart and you want to unblock them on Snapchat. I'll show you how to do that today in this video. So first things first, click on your profile picture in the top left corner. And once you click on that, it'll bring you to your profile page on Snapchat. So you'll want to click on your settings icon in the top right corner of your profile page. And once you click on that, it'll bring you to this list. And when you get here, scroll all the way down to Account Actions. When you get here, the fourth option from the bottom should say Blocked. You're going to want to click on that. Once you get there, it should show everybody who you've blocked on Snapchat. So all you have to do to unblock them is click on the X all the way to the right of their name, and then click Yes right here, and it will unblock them on Snapchat. And that's how you unblock people on Snapchat. You can unblock as many people as you want, and everybody that you ever block will show up in there. So you can unblock people all the way to the beginning of your Snapchat account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.